Hey y'all, how's it going? Oh wait, that's not me. That was Raja. You'll probably see her tail moving back and forth in front of the camera. Hopefully she won't try to knock it over this time. Welcome back to another episode of Beer Porn. Today we have a special Firestone Walker. Been saving for a special occasion. Or just when I'm thirsty. This is a 2021 Mezca-Limon vintage number 01. Mezcal and orange bitters, barrel-aged ale brewed with agave nectar, chili, sea salt, and lime peel. Doesn't that sound good? Yes, it does. So excite. Excuse me. Maybe I'm allergic. Anyway, on the back, it's all about barrel aging in mezcal. Mezcalita. This is part of the Firestone barrel aging, and if you ever get to Buellton, California, that's where Firestone has their barrel works project. They have wild yeast strains for wild ales that they don't want to get loose in their regular brewery, and so there's that, and the barrel aging, and some other really cool things. And it's the place to go if you're a beer nerd. Trust me. So, I've beat you only 14 units, 1,700 cases produced. British ale yeast. Tells you the color, the OG, the blah blah blah. Always refrigerate, store at 45 degrees. It's unusual for them not to mention the... Oh, there it is. 13.5% ABV. So it's right up my alley. I have here my handy Night Eyes keychain thingy. Little ruler, a screwdriver, bottle opener. It may take me a couple tries, but I can smell the lemon already. There we go. Beer before glory. This is really handy, and it's TSA approved, and I also keep this handy Swiss Tech pliers and screwdrivers on this particular keyring. Never know when it might come in handy. I smell lemon. Maybe that's the agave I smell. It's a deep, rich caramel color. Sudsy. Ugh. A little bit of chili. Look at that, huh? Okay. Smelling really good. Great effervescence. And for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, okay, that's out of the way. Let's try a sip. That is so complex. and get brown sugar, which is probably the agave syrup, some caramel, hint of orange bitters, the chili, malts, and that could be the mezcal I'm picking up, because I'm not a mezcal drinker, so it's so unique. It's and with any of these high-end Firestone brews, the more it sits out at room temperature, the better it's going to taste. I know that. The flavors come out more, and the complexity, and it does a strange thing as it drops down closer to room temperature. And also usually smooths out. This is really smooth for 13. You get some of the burn from alcohol at the back of your throat, but up front, unless that's that's probably the mezcal. And starting to pick up the lime peel and the orange bitters. This is awesome. Like at least a 4 out of 5. And it may grow higher as it warms up and I continue to sip. This is definitely a sipper. Oh, hi Raja. Nice of you to join us. This is Raja the Wonder Cat, joining us from next door. You don't drink. You're too young. Anyway, that's what we've got for today. An incredible Firestone Mezca-Limon vintage booze. I like it. So, that's it, y'all. It's a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. A great apocalypse. And, hold on. Cheers! Cheers!